But you can smell it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Got a little root here. Let me try to get that down for you. It happens. There we go. It's in there. Right?
Yeah, it smells really good.
Yeah, it's peppermint. And the tarragon is right here. There we go.
Oh, I think it came all the way up.
You pull it out? Okay. Let's stick it in again. There you go. All right, I got it in there now. And I just put the dirt around it. There we go. It's in there.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to put more dirt around it. We're going to fill it all the way up. But first, once we put it in this way, we're going to leave it this way. We're going to put water in it, and then we're going to fill it all the way up with
Oh,
dirt.
that's
So
how you do that.
that's how you leave it. Yeah. So let's put this aside,
Okay.
and let's go ahead and do now. I'm going to give you the rosemary, and I'm going to do the sweet basil.
Okay.
Okay? So now the same thing, take it out, but let me tell you, now because these are plants that we've already purchased, what you're gonna do before, let me do it and then we'll do it together. I mean, then you can do it. But I take it out of the pot, and you see all the root structure there?
Yes, so nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful. But you wanna break it up a little bit.
Oh.
Okay, so like that, it comes out nice, see?
Well, I wish I would have known that before I got my money tree.
You gonna break it out?
No.
Yeah.
I think I just.
Yes, so yeah, it's important to break the root structure so like that, the plant will re-fruit. Now, because you see we have a lot of dirt in here, I'm just going to pour some of this dirt off to the side in the pot, which sometimes that happens. I do that. And you're probably going to have to do that with the rosemary, but when we take it out, we'll see.
Okay.
And I'm going to go ahead, and now I'm going to rake a lot to the side. I'm going to rake it a lot to the side like this. Also, I'm going to tell you, sometimes people cut the root ball in half. They can do that. In my case, I'm just going to break a little bit down. Right? And then I'm going to put it in. See? So it's in the real dirt that we have there, and it's in its own dirt. Now, I'm going to take the dirt I have here. I'm going to take the root ball that I have here, and I'm going to mix it up a little bit with the real dirt that I have here.
So you can cut the roots.
You can cut it. You can cut it because it's a lot of structure. And again, it depends on the plant. Sweet basil, again, is a forgiving plant. It's like, and what I mean by that is that it's, it's not that fussy. It
Like
likes,
it doesn't require much.
yeah. Yeah, luckily all the plants I picked for you don't really require that much maintenance. Because I know you have a life on the go, You're young,
Just a little water.
Yeah, just a little water. Doesn't require that much maintenance. Okay, so you see this one is in, and as you can see, this is filled up all the way, so we're not going to add any more additional dirt for this one.
Okay, yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. But we are going to pick it before I leave, so you can see that it has to be picked because these big leaves here have to be picked. Okay, so now, that just sort of what I did here with the basil. You're going to give it a try with the rosemary?
Yes, I'm going to try. Let me see.
Okay.
Let me see if I could do this.
All right. I'm here to assist if you get stuck.
Voila! I
All
did
right.
it.
Exactly. Aren't you glad I put down this paper?
Yes. It would be a mess. I'm just going to cut
Some of it off. Right. And let's pour a little bit of the dirt out of the pot. Just a little bit. Just pour it off to the side. Okay. Good. Perfect. And then put it in. Bring it to the side and put it in there. Try to put the plant, though, in the middle. Yeah. Good. Yeah, you're doing good. Go ahead. Rosemary is the same way.
Forgiving.
Very forgiving. Rosemary is a plant that's like, hey, I'll grow. You just keep me alive. Just give me the water. I'll do my part. Let's put the dirt around there. And this one you can fill all the way up. You can shake it around. Don't be afraid of it. It's not going to bite you. Just fill it all the way.
Yeah.
This,
Is it root smell? Oh, no, that was.
no, that's the root ball.
Okay.
Okay, good. All right, and the last one is
Are these?
the spring onions, yes. Now, I love these because all you have to do with this, put your finger in here, put them in.
Oh.
That's it. Put your finger in, put them in. Now you're gonna know tomorrow, you look at it today, but tomorrow it's gonna have a little, it's gonna sprout already. And one day it'll sprout.
That's good.
It's amazing. I love it.
Do you usually plant these ones?
Yeah, I plant a lot of them. My kids are sick of me planting them, but I plant them because you know why? Guess why? Because right now it's expensive.
Mm-hmm.
To get one of these is between excuse me, not $100.
$100.
No, $100. $1. It's $1. I got this at I got them at Whole Foods. It costs $2.49. But now you're not going to have to buy this because it's
Yeah.
going to come up, and as long as you all you have to do is cut the top, and they'll keep growing back.
So now we have our own onions.
You have your own spring onions. Now we're going to put dirt around this too as well. So we're going to fill this up too as well, and you're going to see tomorrow that it fills up. So we can get the dirt, extra dirt, and fill that in there if we want to now.
Use these ones.
Yeah. Okay, so all the plants got their dirt in there. Now let's just go ahead and water them, and then we're
Okay.
going to put the last bit of dirt on top of them, and we'll be good to go. Yeah, how does that smell?
They smell really good.
I know, rosemary.
This might be my favorite one.
Yeah, we don't need to put that much water in. Let's just pour it in around quick. Here,
Okay.
so it goes in. And why don't you finish putting the water in, and then I'll go ahead and put the rest of the dirt on top of them.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. That was fine. I feel like
Yeah, that's
I don't
fine.
want to drain them.
No, you're not going to drown them, you mean?
Yes,
see,
drown.
It's going to come at the
Drain,
bottom.
Drown. Yeah, so when it drains at the bottom, do I, it's just going to come out?
It's just going to come out, see? Look how it came out already. See it?
Oh, okay. So I don't have to do anything with
You
it.
don't have to do anything with it. That's another thing that I love about these pots, and I'm very surprised that I got them for $5.
Yeah.
Because usually you have to put a little cup underneath there. But nope. That's it. The next thing all you have to do is really figure out where you're going to place your plants. And that's it. There you go. So the tarragon is all done. The spring onions are all done. The peppermint, oops, you put a little bit too much water on that. It's okay.
Oh, yeah, I know. I was
It's
like,
okay,
I
it seeped
think
out
I-
though. That's all right. It came out. That's what we needed to do. They're never going to cry because they have too much water on these particular plants. Only certain plants don't like a lot of water.
Mm-hmm.
But not these. Like tomatoes, they don't like a lot of water.
Oh, wow.
But again, like I told you, I chose these plants because they're low maintenance, easy to take care of. If you water them once a week, that'll be great. If you water them every other day, that's great. But definitely water them at least once a week. If you can remember to do it every other day, they'll love you for it. But don't overdo it.
And should I talk to them too? Like,
Of course, definitely.
talk to the plants.
Talk to them all the time, always. It's soothing, it's relaxing. Okay, grab this out of here a little bit.
What was that?
Yeah, sometimes when you get it, look, that's already a weed. It came from my garden.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I don't want that. Yeah, it's in the root structure. Okay, everybody's watered.
Everyone's watered.
They look a little happy there. They're sprouting up. Now all you got to do is groom them and put them where you want them so the sun can come and help them grow.
And then does the stands happen?
Yeah, the stands are for you. So you
Okay.
can decide wherever you want to put them. You can use them But when we place them, we'll figure out where we're going to use them. But I got them for you. Again, we probably need to get that knife.
Or some scissors.
Yeah. The best friend of a gardener is a utility knife. So we're always going to need that. So there you go.
You just put one on there?
No, turn it this way.
Oh.
Stand just right down here. Yeah.
I see the tiny bugs.
Yeah. That's the best thing about the clay pot. The clay pot, you see the moisture is in here, so it's going to keep it moist. Because that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that your soil always stays moist. And the clay pot helps the moisture stay in there. That's another reason why I selected that pot for you. Okay, so everything's in and planted. We watered everything. I'm going to give you this little piece of this chalk here.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and label in case for some reason.
This is nice.
Yeah. In case
Where'd you get these?
Odds and ends. I think I got that maybe. Yeah, you know what? I think I might have found that also at a Target.
Oh, this is cool. This is nice.
You can just label your plants with that.
Yeah.
Now, here's the one thing I had to tell you. Your basil plant is ready for picking.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you what you want to do. I'm going to teach you. All you do here is you see these big leaves on the side. You're going to see you have 4 small leaves in here. See the small 4 leaves? And then you're going to pick here and pick off the big leaves.
I'll pick the big leaves off.
Pick the big leaves off, yes.
Okay.
So again, I'll show you again. Yeah, just like that. Now this is a part of gardening that's therapeutic. The more you pick, the more it grows. So you pick them off. But it is kind of, it's work, but it's work from the heart. So it's, no, not that hard. I won't love you. I want the plant to love you back.
Yeah.
So
I love you, plant.
you could talk. You could do this when you're talking to them. So did you have fun today doing this?
Yes, this was nice. Do you think you would do this more?
Yeah, I love this. I love to do remote gardenings. My goal is to get a garden in everybody's house.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what I'd love to do. I'd love to do something like that.
that would be nice. I think you should definitely do that. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Yeah, PinchAPennyGardener, of course. Of course. I love it. So if you would want me to do something like this for you guys, you know what you can do? You can either send me an email by going to PinchAPennyGardener.com or slide into my Instagram DMs.
Slide in them DMs. All right. Not gonna lie, we gotta clean up now. It's just time.
Yeah, I know.
It's time to clean up now.
I know,
You
'cause
made a
it's
mess in
close.
my house.
Yeah, I know. But that's why I put it on the paper.
Yeah.
Yeah. I put it on the paper because it's easy to clean up.
Yeah.
This plant, I think, needs a little bit more water.
A little more water. Okay,
Yeah,
we can
put
do
a little
that.
bit more water in it.
We can do that.
Come down to the Sunshine State. We got flowers and veggies aplenty. We'll teach you how to pinch a penny. I'm talking about PinchAPennyGardener. Yeah, PinchAPennyGardener. We'll teach you all you need to know. Don't forget to subscribe and like the show.